So this is the digital product that nobody is talking about yet, which are the e-invites. So what's an e-invite? E-invite is basically an invitation wherein you're going to send it to your guests without a physical invitation. At the same time, you can collect RSVPs and has a countdown that serves as a reminder to them when it will happen, that event. So stick around and I'll show you how do you create an e-invite with Canva and sell it on Etsy. So as you can see here, I opened Canva and chose website. So the good thing about Canva, there's already like pre-made templates, but what I'm going to choose here is something like, colorful and vibrant and maybe kawaii, because I wanted to create a kids e-invite. So you might be wondering, why did I choose this one? So don't get, scared a bit probably. It's just that I like the colors and I like how the orientation does, so probably I will just use the same color palette that this website has and add some elements that I wanted for my e-invite. So I wanted to choose some GOOSE, because nowadays on Etsy, if you're going to search it, especially for kids e-invite or for baby girls, GOOSE are one of the characters are on the trend right now, especially if the backgrounds are on pink, like coquette style, and it's really on the trend. So probably we might join the bandwagon of having a GOOSE on our e-invite. At the same time, the theme will be color pink. So now I'm starting to add some more details, like some balloons, the details about the party, maybe the address, the RSVPs, and even the color palettes of what clothes they will wear, something like that. And also some more interesting things that I wanted to showcase or show it to my guests, so they will feel excited when they see this invitation. Now I'm just going to show you the rest of it with no cuts. So this is me actually building it out in real time. So it's about like 2 to 9 minutes of raw editing. So if you want to skip ahead to tick counter part or the RSVP part, otherwise you can just stick around and watch the whole process. So now we're here in the address part. And the address part, what I like about this e-invite is you can totally add some Google Maps on it. And it's very convenient on the part for the guests. They don't need to ask you. It's because they can just simply click it on the e-invite, the Google Maps, and they can just, ready to go to drive to the location itself. So what I did here is I just go to apps on the side and click embed and then add the web link from the Google Maps. Super easy and convenient. And there you go, you have your Google Maps on your e-invite. And also, as you can see here, that I'm trying to check every time how does it look like on the phone itself, since most of the people use phones more than their desktop. So I'm trying to check every time it is in the center or on the side, and sometimes I need to rearrange it again so it looks like appealing again to me and to the guest, because we want it to look presentable whenever we want to show our invitation. Wait, you can add a live countdown timer to your Canva invite, and here's how you can do it in 30 seconds. So go to tickcounter.com, click countdown, set your event date and time. So pick your time zone and hit make a countdown. You can totally customize the colors to match your design, then grab the embed link and copy it. In Canva, you can just simply click embed again on the left panel, paste the link, and boom, you have a live ticking countdown right inside your template or inside of your invitation. How crazy is it, and how does it look like? It looks really bougie, especially if you wanted to showcase it to your guest. And as you can see here, I tried to add some more details like the goose, and I arranged it everything again in the middle. So whenever I preview it in mobile, everything is on place. So again and again, try as much as possible to check whether it's in the middle. So whenever you preview it in the mobile or in the website, it's on its place. And here's a small detail that makes your invite feel way more thoughtful. The attire section. I made a colored block using a rectangle from elements, match it to my color palette, and drop it right under the main invite details. Then I kept the copy short and on theme. Casual and comfy, waddle friendly clothes encourage. So it still feels like, playful instead of just a boring instruction. And a little tip, if there's an activity like a bounce house or outdoor games, mention it here. It helps the parents that actually know what to dress their kid in. Now here's the last part. Here's how I made an RSVP that actually collects responses instead of just leaving people to text me. I made a quick Google form. This is just like an example on, just to show it to you. So I go to Google Forms, and just make a quick form out of it. So I just added how many are you, the name of the field. Probably you can add also if they have allergies, so you can add that as well, and then publish it and copy the link. And back in Canva, again and again, you can simply do what we did with Tick Counter and also with the Google Maps. Just click embed on the left sidebar, paste the form link, and hit add to the design. It drops right into the RSVP block on the invite, and guests will click it, fill it out, and every response land straight into the spreadsheet for me. And just like that, the invite is done. Now here's what you can actually do with it. If it is just for your own party, hit share, grab the link, and send it straight to your guests. They open it, see the countdown ticking, and can RSVP right there. But if you want to turn this into a product, click share, create a template link instead of a regular link. That's what makes it editable for whoever buys it. List the template link on Etsy, and now anyone can duplicate your design, swap it in their own kid's name, date, team, in one design, but unlimited sales. This is one of the evergreen products that's currently on trend right now on Etsy. There you have it. It's really easy to create an e-invite, and the most good part about it is you can create in different themes that you can sell it on Etsy. But be cautious as much as possible. Try to use generic themes or characters, or else Etsy again and again will delist your listings for IP violations. So yeah, I do hope that you learned something for today, and happy crafting!